decided on this hike to show everybody the way up. Everyone says it's so hard and it's all downhill, but no one's really shown how hard it is. So we're gonna show you the way up. See you at the falls, see you in the pools. We can't wait to go play.
Waterfall's amazing.
So this is the approach to the fall, the very last few steps. Somehow it's always really interesting right before you get to the pool and the fall. I hear a few people there. Oh, how cool is this, Heidi? Kind of reminds me of Black Star right here. Oh, there's people here, cool. This little cavern, it's kind of like a little beach, maybe 6 inches deep, mostly sand, a few rocks. So I parked my little plastic surfboard so I could get a good view of the waterfall. So I've climbed the rocks and moseyed my way to the waterfall. So I'm inside the cave coming out to the waterfall. I'm gonna paddle right up against it and bring you guys there. All right. It was time to chill before the boulder jumping. I think everybody there was at least half our age and they were doing some serious boulder jumping. But I'm gonna go first and save the best for last. Right on. That was cool. Get ready for the highlight of this hike. It's about to start. So the next group of guys went up to the highest point that they could reach without dealing with a rattlesnake. I would guess it's 65 to 70 feet, considering that the waterfall's 80 feet. Check this out. All right. Bless him, Lord. Yeah, ow. That might have hurt. Rocks in. No turning back. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah. Right on. That was crazy.
Stay with us because we're going to show you what you're in for on the hike out.
So this will give you a feel for the going back. And this is going to be the hard part because it's all uphill. You're in the hottest part of the day. We're leaving at 3:30, I think. Right around 3:30. It's not too hot. It's about 77 high. But if you came here in the summer and you had 80, 90 degree weather, man, you better have a lot of water. They say 1 gallon on all trails. I brought a filter and we didn't need it. But again, on a hotter day, you may need to bring a filter. So we're gonna give you little highlights on the way back, show you how rough it is. So far, it's pretty easy. Some of the sights you'll see on the way to the fall. I'm gonna put the underwater camera here. Looks like there's a lot of fish life. We pictured this place a lot drier. The rains really did this place justice, man. It looks great. Wow, guys, look at this meadow. That is gorgeous. You're gonna have another crossing here where you get to cool off. Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
There's about 3 creek crossings that feel absolutely amazing on the feet.
Well, we're about a mile in. I think the weather's in our favor. It's not too bad. And we got a breeze. But I've done hikes in 100-degree weather, like Deep Creek, Bridge to Nowhere. Gotten back to my car and it was 104 degrees. So we've done it, but we recommend spring or early summer. Below 80 degrees would be ideal, but no hotter than 90. Every so often you get a little shade and you gotta cherish this.
So on our way up, we ran into a couple of snakes. One was harmless, the other not so much.
He's coming towards us. Oh, he's going in this hole. How cool is that? The next one is deadly, especially a baby rattler. Be careful, guys. They have these nice little resting spots with shade for the way up, I would imagine. And then there's benches along the way too, so you can take a break. Let's all obey this. Let's keep it clean and pristine, guys. It's not easy coming up, guys. I will say that. Really frank and honest with you, it's a huge calf burn. My legs are tightening up and a little cramping. So it's a long hike, it's a hot hike, and it takes a lot of endurance. We did bring a B12 kind of caffeine shot, helped us. So you may want to consider them. All right, we'll see you at the top. Wow, what an epic hike this was. I really hate to say bye to Cedar Creek Falls.
Me too.
Oh man, we met some really good guys here. We traded photos. We got to see him go at least 65 feet off some of those boulders. That was wild. Not for me.
Yeah.
I did the 57-year-old ones on the left that were about 25 feet. That was good enough for me. Well, Hike Bite says this is a 5-star epic hike.
Yes.
And until your next adventure hike, explore nature with us.
One bite at a time.
One bite. Thanks for watching. Woo, yeah. That was a good one. I'm glad I got that. That was a double.